Minimum wage is a big topic in the US, and many believe that raising minimum wage will help to better our economy and allow people to live off of minimum wage by itself. While the simple thought of a higher minimum wage makes life living easier and more comfortably, that is true. However, with higher minimum wage, that leads to a constant cost of simple items to be higher in price, and companies will not be able to make profit and sustain business, which will worsen the economy of the US. Minimum wage rising causes the cost of product and supply to rise. A company cannot sustain business and make profit if they continue to sell the same product for the same low price if they are paying their workers a higher salary per hour. Currently, in Florida, it is $8.56 per hour in 2020. However, with the new bill passed, it is set to rise to $15 an hour within 5 short years. This will lead to a depletion in the amount of companies and businesses throughout Florida, as they will not be able to sustain business and make enough profit to stay open, which will worsen our economy and likely fail it. With higher costs and prices, we will not be able to live as a whole. Everything will rise in price, making it more expensive, and those set on a contract hourly wage or on a contract salary will have a harder time making it throughout our economy if all costs rise. From housing to food, transportation, and simple things throughout the town we all like to do, it will all rise in costs. So, if we keep our minimum wage where it is and allowed it to move with our economy up or down, we would simply have a much better way if everybody moved all at once instead of raising it within a 5-year plan all at once. With minimum wage rising and the cost of living increasing, no one would be helped, as everything would rise in prices, taxes would increase, and the cost of living would also increase. It's a direct correlation to a higher cost of living and higher taxes for all. As stated by Forbes analysis Jack Kelly, types of jobs that are minimum wage are not designed to provide for a family. They are either for someone looking to get a foot in the door and join the workforce, or for someone looking for an extra income or a temporary port in the storm if they've lost their job. These are all these jobs are meant to do. They are not meant to support an entire family. Overall, raising the minimum wage is not a good idea. It will lead to less small businesses, which will ruin our economy. It will lead to higher taxes and a higher cost of living, which will all not benefit anybody at all and will worsen the economy of the United States. Thank you.